Hi guys, welcome to the channel. And coming to gold and crude oil analysis for the week. And as we can see, it is traveling in the channel for the last few months. So after consolidation for 3 months for broken upside and traveling to this channel. And last week video also you can check, I told upside if it goes, it can travel up to 9090 levels. It's not touched 9090, but it went till 19,000. I said 19,083 is Fibonacci resistance, but it went till 1981. So above that, coming days it was broken on closing basis, then it can touch this channel around 2000. So I'm saying in dollar per dollar, I'm saying that if you are from other countries and your currency is different, then you can convert into that. And mostly every currency in any country, the chart will be same, so you can convert into same currency. You can expect same bullish or bearish moment. So we can see the channel came almost to the side, the resistance. So upside will be limited and downside will be good, the risk reward wise. So downside we can expect till this trend line around this resistance around 1830. You can expect 1830, 35 around we can expect support. It has to come down, but as globally the economy is weak and it's already reached highs. We don't know whether the gold will break upside and equity will come, or gold will come downside and equity will be the same range bound. We don't know. We should see. So as this week, last 2 weeks, global economy is range bound, India or US or anything. So that's why the commodity gold became very bullish. So downside, if anything you see breaking 1932 on closing basis, then the first target will be 1863 and next target will be 1835 to 40, this trend line. So coming to crude oil also I'm telling sorry. Respect to dollar only, then you can convert to your currency. So the daily trend line was broken, but it nicely supported this GAN fan. So if upside, you can expect to this again, this high around 42, and above that it can move upside towards 43, and upside after breaking 42.3 you can expect 44.5, and if it's breaking upside, then it can rally up to 51 and 54, and downside closing below this support around 39, next support will be 38, and after breaking this it can crash towards 34.5 and 31.5. So this is the crude oil, guys. Please like, share, subscribe channel for more videos. and also please join Telegram for more calls, news and strategies.